In this tutorial, we are going to start to use the drawing tool. The first drawing tool is line. So I click on line and I can draw different segments and I can draw shape with this. So here I see that I'm parallel on the green X, but I can change if I want red, and with this view blue. So here I draw one segment and SketchUp keep the last corner point. The last corner point here, and I can move. So whether like this, with an angle of 90 degrees, whether I can make like this. Take. And I close my shape. If I want to continue for another corner point, I can choose this print, green print, end print, and I can draw like this. And here I can see that I wasn't on the green axis, so it was like this. If I'm going to start again, but this time on the green axis, like this, like this. Here in the corner, in the right corner, we have here length, and you can indicate on this the size of your segment. So for example, I want 10 meter. I'm going to raise 10 meter in this 10 meter, and I have a segment, a line with a size of 10 meter. And thanks to that, we can draw easily different kind of segment. So this is for a line tool.